Hey guys, welcome back to Hypno313. This is a unique video that you probably won't be thinking that should be on my channel, but I just wanted to show you guys this. This is an unboxing video of the new MacBook Pro. So let's get it open. This is the 16 inches. Let's see what it looks like. On pretty tight there. Man, what kind of adhesive is this? Messed up the table. Alright guys. The MacBook Pro. Oh, this is so cold. It's so cold. It's wrapped in plastic, guys. Look at that. This is my first ever MacBook. I never had a MacBook before in my life. I never owned an Apple product in my life. Well, I never owned and used an Apple product. I had Apple products that I just sold, but I never used. Got the charger. Pretty nice. Nice and fancy. As Kelvin J would say, fancy. This is pretty nice. So here is... Here it is, guys. This is what it looks like opened up. This is it, guys. This is the 16-inch MacBook Pro. Will be used for all Hypno services. So yeah, it's pretty nice. I know the feature that's pretty known about this is this color tab here.
English as the main language. Press the return key.
I'm not pretty sure on everything. I don't even know how to use this, guys. I really don't even know how to use this, but I'm about to learn. go through this little tutorial on here. Whatever tutorial they're gonna teach me, I'm gonna go through it because I do not know how to use this thing. So that's it, guys. That's the MacBook Pro. Give you another look at it close up. That's the back. Keyboard and the screen. Comes with the charger cord, and the box. Also, don't forget, guys, if you do get this, the ports on the side, these are the ports on the side, is just for the charging. Let's see if you can see it. Yep, right here is just for charging. You can have exports that has other pieces to it, but it's four total, 2 on each side. Also, there's speakers on the side here versus some of them. I know some of them have it right here. The speakers on the side on this one. And the touchpad is humongous. The touchpad is very big, guys, very big. So, about to see how this bad boy work out. And thank you guys for tuning in to Hypno313. Like I said, I know this is an unusual video. This is definitely an unusual video, but I had to do it. Like I said, guys, this is a very important product. This product costs over $2,000, so it's definitely a great investment for Hypno313. And for whatever company that you want to start and want to use, I highly recommend that you get a MacBook because it's one of the fastest laptops. But for me, I got it because it comes with GarageBand on there, and I want to start making music as well, even more, and I can do it on my own now thanks to this MacBook. So be on the lookout for more music, guys, because I got the tool that I need to record and mix and master. So I already have a mic and headphones, so I just got to get cracking, guys. Thank you for watching and tuning in, guys. It's Hypno313 saying peace and love.